Hey guys, if you want to create an account on Kling AI, then this video is for you. First, you just need to search for Kling AI and you'll just need to click on the first website, and from here you'll find Kling AI official website where you can just generate AI, you can create AI generated video from photos to video or text to video. So then if you want to sign up for a new account or you want to create a new account, then you can simply click on sign in, and from here if you don't have any account, then you can go with the Google. Simply click on Google and select your Google account and simply enter the password. If it's asked for, then you can just continue to the next process. Then for example, I'm going to select another one here. That now simply click on continue. After entering the password, then it will just easily create a profile page for you. When you get the profile page, that means you have just created an account. So let me log out from that option here, this account from here. So sign out, and you can also go with your email. You can just enter your custom email, or you can, here you will find the sign up for free. Actually this is for sign in process. Now from here in sign up section, you just need to go to this, click on the sign up for free option, and you just need to enter your email address, your password, at least 8 characters. Then you have to confirm that password and simply click on next, and it will create your new account for you on this klingai.com. So that's how you can just simply create an Kling AI account on their official website. It's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.